Okay, here's the whole setup for 2024. Some nice bench here. Battery backup. This is a monitor, a control room monitor. Does not affect broadcast volume. We have 4 recorders, 2 ISO, program and clean. The 4K Constellation. This is just for a monitor for the program recorder. This is our lighting board. 3 main lights at top, 1 for the pit. And here, obviously switcher. We have 9 cameras plus playback. For shift, we have our lyrics key as well, which we are not using this year. We ran all of our video elements from playback. So video elements were here, and we ran simultaneous timers from here, so they click at the same time. Screen 1, so we have here 8 cameras. We put camera 9 in the bottom right. There's only the pit camera. Playback is channel 10. Camera 8 because we have PTZ position right here, so give it a monitor. Clean feed, program feed, and the lyrics key and alpha there. This monitor is a program output, which is being fed from the SDI converter, which also feeds audio into here for addition to give us the loudness radar. The SDI is looping from this recorder, or from the Teranex, which is looping from, no, sorry, yeah, here. From the Teranex, we're sending the conversion to the Fujitsu, and then Teranex is receiving the feed from here, which is receiving it from the program recorder. My laptop here is for starting the streams. So we had Facebook, YouTube running here, starting that. We had Audition running here, so we can get our feed up in our Clarity M. And then what else do we have here? Here, just have the run sheet to monitor that, keep track of times, updating that. Stream Deck being controlled from here. Also have ATEM control from here. But the Stream Deck, a few presets here to help us when the show open and the show close. Audio mixer. We have channel 1 here is a link of house. It says left, but it's actually left and right on 1 fader. Number 2 is our playback, also left and right linked together to 1 fader. Our delay is 49.42, so basically 50 meters, about 150 milliseconds. We are running, that's that. Next year I would run a compressor on channel 1 to help us with our levels. Also, we want to run a house mix here. This will need to be configured at the mixer board outside. So whoever's doing house audio needs this in his 2 feeds. This feed will be just the worship with no microphones, no speaker microphones. Channel 2 will be all the speaker microphones on 1 channel. So in the pit, the MC, the pastor, all coming here. So all speaking mics here, not on channel 1, which is just all the worship mics, the worship mix here. We have Vico, how did you run audio here?
We ran from Tyro MADI input to this mixer.
Okay.
And then we separate there, we pick up Stefano's talkback and the left and right. And then we brought your laptop into through USB to the USB input.
Okay, yeah.
And then we have on Matrix our monitor here.
Matrix 1 is the monitor.
Left and right is the master.
Left and right is the master.
The switcher inputs.
Okay, so this is our main volume for program. This Matrix 1 setup here. Let's get here, Matrix 1. It's just our control room level speaker. The talkback is set up here. So to hear Stefano, you hear the music director hit PFL. You can hear it through the headphones. And to talk, we unmute these two channels here, which sends the microphone to the music director. And then when we're done talking, we mute him. And then to stop listening, turn that off. Moving on, program monitor. Next year I'd put this down here, behind the director, where the color's happening. This computer here is running our countdown timer, our open, B-roll for the message, which we did not use this year, and then our close. That's all this guy's doing, actually. It's good to keep, we could run all the videos on here, but it's good to keep it separate because it enables us to keep our DSK on the entire time. We don't have to turn it on and off, going full screen. So lyrics here, very straightforward. We built a pre-broadcast with 2-minute timers, which runs in tandem with this. You start at the same time. And then we have a 30-second broadcast timer here, which corresponds with the video here. And then this one is our bug, which also starts, when the 30 seconds is over, we click this, which starts our bug, as well as the broadcast timer. So see the broadcast timer here, reset it, 58:30. Speaker timer was 20 this year. We did not use the pre-broadcast countdown this year. 2-minute timer for the countdown. And then for the show open is a 30-second timer. So those are our run through here. Stage displays. We have several here. We have Easter worship. So broadcast timer at 2:50. And then this is the time of day. Next light current slide, that's very basic, very simple. And then we have our Easter message. So just a really large timer running the speaker timer at 500. Easter countdown. So that is the 2-minute countdown. Also 500. And then we have Easter show open, which is the 30-second video. And Easter pre-broadcast, which we didn't use this year, so those are our stage timers. I think that's all we have for this. Yeah, okay, so and this computer is running, we configured it with a desktop video setup, connected it here, make sure it's connected. We had to, 2997. It's actually all good there. And then in ProPresenter, we go to screens, configure screens. The stage screen is Blackmagic, but then that's just the secondary output from here. Screen 2 is where we put the output is the Ultra Studio Extreme 2997. And then go to Alpha Key and select pre-multiplied. So that is that setup. Lyrics computer. Oh, this is also key to have for the lyrics person, their own in-ear. We had an HDMI, USB-C to HDMI, which for the stage display. This USB-C runs to the Ultra Studio 4K Extreme. The playback computer, just a standard USB-C to HDMI. We also have a mouse and this that goes to the soundboard. Here's the adapter right there for HDMI. PTZ, IP500. We had an iPad here for the operator to control focus and things there. Also on my computer, I was controlling brightness and other settings that were needed. And yes, is that everything? I think so. Oh, because up here we also have our Wi-Fi router, as well as down here, it's just a standard unmanaged switch.
right there. Lots of connections.
Find that in tripod? Yeah.